Hello everybody, I'm Jennifer from Jennifer Decorates. Today's video is going to be our landscaping video. So for those of you who haven't watched some of our videos, last year we purchased a house and we decided we wanted to do some fixing up, and we started with the exterior. It was a red brick house. Let me show you a before picture. We decided to paint it white and add black shutters. And then we knew some landscaping really needed to be done because a lot of things were overgrown. So this video is a lot of before and after photos of our landscaping project. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to list a few of the plants that we used. Please note I do not have a green thumb, but I know some of you will probably ask, what kind of plant did you use? So I will put those below in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to have a lot more fun videos coming out shortly. Have a great day.